Hi, quarantine base. I'm gonna do a quick eyebrow tutorial because it's one of the easiest things to do and makes the most impact on your face, in my humble opinion. Sorry, I know I'm mad close, but I gotta get in there for you. Okay. I've been using brow cream by More Cosmetics. It's pretty good. I like it. I prefer the pencil slightly, but either way, brow cream, pencil, still the same technique. So you're going to start by brushing your eyebrows up. That is step one. If you're using brow cream like me or any type of brow pomade, you're going to want an angled brush like so. Like so. You're going to just go in and dip it in there, you know. Don't put too much because then it's going to come out too dark. But you dip it in a little bit and then you go just like in kindergarten. You trace. You trace the bottom part of your eyebrow. Then you're going to do the same thing with the top, girlfriend. Just trace it in the shape that you want it to be. Now, to fill in, I prefer just a little bit because I don't like my eyebrows crazy dark. I like them to look a little messy. Tiny bit. And I just go and just do like light strokes inside the lines, in between the lines. Don't stray up here. Don't stray down here. In between the lines that you made. And you're going to, brush some of that product in. Brush it up. Next, you're going to get your concealer. It doesn't have to be a lighter color, but it's better when it is. And just slowly take your time. Don't rush the process. Trust in it. Trust in it. Ooh, trust in it. All right, now for the top, you're going to do the same. Take your time. You could do this with the wand from the concealer, or you could do it with a brush. I'm just doing it with the wand because I'm lazy right now. Now you're going to take your finger or a brush. This is the type of brush you want to use if you are using a brush for the concealer, a flat brush. But, just take it and just, blend that out. Blend it out. Just keep on going like that. Make sure you get up close, but not too close so that you can blend out the very tip. And it's a process. Take your time. Don't rush it. You think Rome was built in a day? You think Picasso painted one of his famous paintings in a day? Think Da Vinci painted not Caesar's Palace, what the hell? Sistine Chapel in a day? No, these things took years. So you give yourself time to practice and perfect your art like the greats. And one day you too shall be great. Great, look at that. Now you're gonna just, blend that. When you put your foundation on, all of that's gonna go away anyway. But now, when you get to here, like I don't like when it looks too like so I just go on in and I just, soften it up a little, soften it up. Take a little bit of the brush and I brush it on the ends so I just go on in, like you see right here how it's so square. I just go on in and I bring it down a little. So whatever you like, however you like your eyebrows, create it. Create them. That's how you should do your makeup, how you like your makeup to look. Now, don't get me wrong. There's some universal do's and don'ts. But for the most part, just do your thing, especially eyebrows. Like, people like their eyebrows different. Some people, I'm going to show you another way to do it. Here's another way you can do your eyebrows if you want them to look a little more natural. That's if you, again, I'm really not trying to be shady. Like, if you don't have a lot of hair on your eyebrows, you can't do this. But if you do, like I don't have that much, but I have enough to do this. So first you brush it up, and then instead of going to the brow pencil or the pomade, you just kind of trace out your eyebrow shape the way you want. So basically what you're doing is creating an illusion. It's like magic. Like, this is what I'm saying people fail to realize. Like, makeup is like art and magic. You can't look down at it. It's just both. How many things are art and magic? So you see how I did that? Now I'm going to do the same thing up here. Notice I did not put any eyebrow pencil on. I'm just using concealer. You can do this with a foundation, but it's better with concealer. I didn't use as much this time, but because I was just going for, like I just woke up and I'm like just jumping out of bed. I might brush my teeth, maybe not, but I'm just such a low maintenance gal. Look at this. No eyebrow pencil or pomade, just concealer to give the illusion, you know. Now me personally, I might, add a couple strokes, but that's it. Nothing crazy, Just a couple to the end there so it don't just look like my eyebrow fell off a cliff or something. Just a couple. Nothing too much. Okay, that's it. I'm not gonna go too crazy. Yeah, that's it. Two different types of eyebrows. Which one do you prefer? What's your style? Are you more of a clean cut type of gal? And in fact, let me just extend this a little. This is a little thicker than I usually do it, not gonna lie. Or are you going more like a natural, bohemian type? Either way, look at this. Like, I look 20 times better than I did when I first came on this video, don't I? And don't say you look the same, because I don't. I look better. So, just a little quick tutorial on how to slightly enhance your look. If you don't want to do the colors or you don't want to do the eyeshadow or any of that stuff, just slightly. Now, the one thing I will say is if you are not using foundation, you have to get a concealer closer to your shade of skin or else you're going to look like this when you go out in public. And that is definitely a makeup no-no. Thanks for watching. Let me know what else you'd like to see. I want to keep these videos nice and short and sweet. Keep content coming for y'all. So definitely go on in the comment box and tell me what you want to see broken down for you. By the way, Da Vinci did not do the Sistine Chapel. That was Michelangelo. So maybe I should read more during this quarantine time.